Hello, welcome to music class. I have a very special practice for us to do today. This is the often requested Noisemaker instruction. I had been planning on doing this with you guys in a couple weeks, but we're going to go ahead and learn how to do it this week. We start out with a straw, any straw. You're going to get delivery, keep your straw, wash it off, make one of these with it. Next time you do a major grocery store run, get some straws. They're pretty cheap. You can buy like 50 of them for $1. I have a straw here. It's a big fat soda straw. The bigger they are, the easier they are to make, but you can make this with a little straw, regular straw, whatever. So with our soda straw, step one, we're going to take the end that we're going to blow into and we're going to squeeze it tight. We're going to squeeze it tight for about an inch. It's about as wide as your thumb is. You want that to be nice and tight to where there's a line on both sides. Once this is squeezed tight, you're going to hold it flat. Be very careful because you're going to take some sharp scissors. The scissors will cut you just as happily as it cuts paper, so be very careful. We want to cut a small triangle side pizza slice right out of the side. Cut almost to the middle, not all the way to the middle, but almost to the middle. So it'll look like this, flipping it over like this. When you hold it flat, we can see we have a straight edge and an angled edge. This is going to be the first part of our mouthpiece. Now we turn it over, we hold it flat again. As we hold it flat, we want to finish another little pizza slice to make sure that the very tip still has a little bit of a wide part. That right there is very important. That keeps you from stabbing your tongue. Now you have a noisemaker. What you're going to do is imagine that my fingers here are your mouth. You want it to come in through your mouth and squeeze right there. One more time. Make sure it comes in past the foldy part right there and squeeze. This makes what we call a reed instrument. These two pieces of plastic will flap against each other like wooden reeds. When they flap, they will make a buzzing sound. To make them flap and to make that buzzing sound, you have to blow and make sure all your mouth is closed off. So here we go. Pass the teeth. Pass the lip. I'm going to fill it up. A little bit of practice. Haha. It might not work your first time. Keep trying, keep practicing. You have to find out just how far it is to push in. Don't bite down all the way, but put some pressure down to make it flat. Do not share this with your friends, or sisters, brothers, whatever. Don't even let your parents play them. Once you've made this, this is yours. Do not let anyone else play with it. You can have them make their own. If it doesn't work after you've tried a lot of times, you might have to cut it off and try again. If you run out of straw, get another straw. Keep trying. Once you've made this, you can have lots of fun and a little bit of practice. You can make a lot of loud noises. Okay, enjoy with that. Now, if you're in 3rd grade, 4th grade, or 5th grade, we can go to the next step. Little kids, 2nd grade, 1st grade kindergartners, get your parents to do this if you want. We are going to create holes for our fingers to go here. So I'm going to come about halfway up. I'm going to squeeze, and very carefully, I'm going to cut out a little diamond, like I'm cutting out a little hole for a snowflake, if you've done snowflakes before. That little diamond hole right there. Now a reed instrument makes sound when you buzz into it. The shorter the straw, the higher the sound it makes. The longer the straw, the lower the sound it makes. So whenever I have this hole covered, it should sound like it just sounded. But when I let go of the hole, now the air comes out here instead of here. This makes the length shorter. Shorter is higher. So here we go. You're going to have some trouble with it at first. Don't make your hole too big. It needs to be small enough for your finger to cover, so very small diamond. Once you have that, you can have 2 sounds for the price of 1. A lot of fun. Have fun with this. See what you can come up with and let us know. Enjoy.